So, my dear students, my dear learners, my dear children, my dear friends, today we have Saturday, and by now you know very well that on every Saturday we don't have regular class. We have only speaking session for all the students from different batches, and they come together this day. So, this is a way to get together once a week, and in this session, means the session on Saturday, always we keep speaking session, and in this session you are given a topic to speak upon, and you speak on that topic. This is a very good thing, and I am really proud of you all because of your performance. So that is good thing. But you know we have some new students, and please switch on your cameras, otherwise I am going to remove you from the class. It doesn't matter who they are, each and every camera will be on. Hurry up, Anuj. This is a bad thing that always I have to tell you to switch on, to keep your camera on. This is not a good thing. This is bad thing for you as well as for me. I don't know what you do after the camera when you switch off the camera. I don't know what you do here. I have I have given this topic so many times that what is the reason that students keep their cameras off, but unfortunately no one answered me properly. So my dear ones, please try to understand me. Keep your cameras on. Hmm? So now I'm coming to the point that on this day you are given a topic, and this is a very great thing that all the students are able. All means all the students means our old students are always able to speak on the topic that is given to them. Oh, very good. Ritvik has written his name. Even he doesn't know what is the topic of today. Oh, Gaurav, very good. वेरी गुड. आ जाओ बेटा. अभी तुम्हारे को मैं बताता हूँ आज तुमने कैसे नाम लिखे हैं. आज तुम्हारी नहीं 12 बजे आई ना. मैंने तो बहुत नाम लिखने का शौक है. तुम आओ जरा यहाँ पे. हम्म. आ जाओ तुम.
सर मेरे को तो जल्दी नाम लिखना पड़ा क्योंकि ये भी तो लिख रहे हैं इसलिए।
तो तू भी लिख. सब लिखो फिर बताता हूँ एक एक को मैं भी क्या करवाने वाला हूँ आज. तुमको पता ही नहीं. पूरी बात तो सुन लो पहले. बस खट से लिख दिया टॉपिक. नाम सूगले हो सारे के सारे. सो बुलवाई दिया ना मेरे को हिंदी में आखिर में तुमने. क्योंकि तुमको डांटने का मजा इंग्लिश में नहीं आता, हिंदी में ही आता है. समझ गए आप. सूगला हिंदी में कोई, इंग्लिश में कोई शब्द ही नहीं है सूगला. समझ गए आप. होगा तो होगा लेकिन वो मजा नहीं आएगा उसका. So, and you know we have some new students because we have recently started a new batch in the month of April. So some of them are not able to speak on the given topic, but Ritvik is able. He has written his name first. But then on the top of the list, he has his name. You can see it. First name is of Ritvik. This is a great thing. And though he is also the newest student, and but okay, no problem. So, and for the students who are new, who are the students of B23, they are free. They are not bound to speak on the same topic that will be given to you, but they can speak on any topic, about friend, about mother, about teacher, any topic. Like last session in our last Saturday session, all the students of B23 spoke very well. I praise them for their performance. So always try to do. This is the main thing of moving ahead. If you want to learn things, if you want to be perfect in anything, for the in speaking, or if you are here with me, means you want to be perfect in English language, not subject. in English language. And when we talk about language, there are four things: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. So today we are talking about speaking session, and this is also listening session, because one will speak and the others will listen to that person. And if you want to be a good listener, a good speaker, so it is necessary for you to be a good listener also. Without listening, you can't be a good speaker. So you must have your focus on is on listening. This I think. So the students of B23 are allowed to speak on any topic, and if they like, if they think that they can speak on the given topic, they can also speak. There is no problem. So uh, uh, actually, this is there is no exam where if you fail, you can't progress in other class. This is not that type of thing. But if you want to learn, you have to speak, you have to read, you have to write, you have to listen. If you want to, if you want to make yourself perfect in a language skill, means for that. So, and be informal with me. No need to be fair of me. But whenever sometimes I scold you, so you know it becomes necessary for many times. So I do such types of things. So my dear friends, today now I I keep my mouth shut. I am so that you can take the chance of speaking. And though this is your learning, but sometimes I want to speak. Though I don't get so many chances to speak because you have to speak, but I also like to speak with you, not with
Sir,
anyone. Yes.
sir, can you speak on the topic at the last?
Yes, but I think that your thoughts are more clear than me, than I have. So, and most of you want to go, want to leave the class, and some of you also leave. Some of you also leave. Okay. So, yes, I can speak. Why not? I also like it. And many times I speak also. Oh, कहाँ गई है? ये छोरी मेरे को बहुत परेशान करती है. इसके तो मुझे कोई झाड़ा वाड़ा लगाना पड़ेगा. और इसमें पता नहीं ये क्या हो गया है आजकल. आ गई मैडम. आ गई भाई मैडम, आ गई. आ जाओ मैडम.
गुड इवनिंग सर।
वेरी गुड इवनिंग. खड़ी हो जा, बैठ जा थोड़ा सा. हैं?
सर सर
हाँ.
बैठी हुई हूँ।
अच्छा, बैठी हुई है. हमें तो लेटी हुई दिख रही है तू.
सर मैं सोई हुई
और
थी।
वो हमें पता है, अभी भी सो रही है तू. आँख खोल ली. ये लो, एक नाम और आ गया. अभी बताया ही नहीं मैंने टॉपिक. खुशी का नाम आ गया. मतलब वेरी ग्रेट थिंग यार. विदाउट गिविंग पेपर, विदाउट गिविंग क्वेश्चन पेपर, यू आर रेडी टू आंसर, एंड यू हैव. So no need of question paper. Yes, we can write the answer. We know what is the topic, and it doesn't matter much what is the topic. We can speak on any topic. Yeah, we can write anything. So, but please be with me. So today's topic, that there is very important thing in this world, and that is called behavior. And a behavior, we have two types of behavior: good behavior, bad behavior. Sometimes you say that यार वो आदमी तो बड़ा, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, खड़ूस है. Sometimes with by his behavior. मतलब if you like anyone, I think the behavior has 90% of role. If someone speaks you politely, whether he is a teacher, doctor, lawyer, engineer, anyone, father, mother, you like that person. But when a person speaks to you um, harshly, impolitely, so that time, वो होता है ना, कई बार भाई बहन की बात, बीच में बात होती है, जब अरे एक गिलास पानी लेके आ, बड़ा भाई छोटे बहन को बोल देता है, एन एल्डर ब्रदर tells his sister or brother, hey, bring me a glass of water. और वो छोटा वाला भी उखड़ जाता है और नहीं लाता, तरीके से बोल, इज्जत से बोल, इज्जत से। हैं, ये क्या होता है, लेके आ, नहीं लेके आता बोल क्या कर लेगा, तो ये मैंने शायद हर घर में होता है ऐसा, इट हैपन्स। और छोटा वाला अड़ जाता है कि नहीं लाऊं, अच्छा छोटा वाला बड़े वाले को तो कह ही नहीं सकता, यू नो वेरी वेल दैट अ यंगर वन कांट से टू ब्रिंग अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर फ्रॉम द एल्डर वन, कह सकता है क्या? लक्ष्मी कह सकती है कि खुशी को,
बोले
ए चल पानी लेके आ मेरे लिए, और खुशी जरूर कह देती होगी उसको, चल चाय बना ला मेरे लिए एक कप। सो अभी आज अंजलि थोड़ी कह सकती है, अब कहती है, अंजलि कहती है, अंजलि गौरव को, ए चल, हालांकि छोटी है अंजलि से, दो अंजलि इज यंगर देन गौरव, बट शी ऑर्डर्स हर हिम, एंड गौरव इज अ बॉय जस्ट लाइक अ काउ है। So he thinks, and sometimes he thinks that okay yaar, she is my younger sister, okay no problem yaar, okay yaar, but she also must think that he's your elder brother, but she doesn't, never considers her, this is my elder brother, she always thinks he is my younger. So actually, s- so many things depend on our behavior or anyone's behavior. If you go to doctor, if doctor listens to your problems, speaks to you लविंगली, पोलाइटली, है बेटा, क्या हुआ बेटा, कैसे है बेटा, हो जाएगा बेटा ठीक, लाइक दैट, तो आपको भी मजा आता है कि हाँ यार डॉक्टर साहब बहुत अच्छे हैं, दवाई तो पता नहीं जो भी देंगे सो देंगे, लेकिन यार बात करने में मजा आ गया डॉक्टर साहब से, अरे कुछ क्या है, हाँ, चलो अगली बार हुआ इस डॉक्टर के बाद मेरे को प्लीज पापा, आई डोंट वांट टू गो टू दिस डॉक्टर। सो टीचर का भी यही होता है, कुछ अच्छी, तो यू नो बिहेवियर इज वेरी ग्रेट थिंग, एंड and you know very well that, so you have not to speak about only good behavior, well behavior, but you have to speak about behavior, nice behavior, well behavior, as well as bad behavior. What are the outcomes of bad behavior and what are the outcomes of good behavior? So I think many of you had guessed that what is the today's topic. So it is very great thing, and this is not a difficult topic. So you know it has been 12 minutes that I have been speaking. I have been speaking for 12 minutes now. If try to stop me, saying that sir, please stop. You have to speak.
Sir, please don't stop.
So don't stop. What do you want to
Yes,
say? This
sir,
is not.
please don't.
This is your class. Yeah, this is not my class. Now it is your turn to speak.
Sir, please stop.
No, and you have written your name in the top of the list, and you are saying to me that sir, please stop. Please talk. यही कह रहे हो ना? What are you saying, Ritvik? Should I stop or should I continue?
Sir, you should talk.
You should talk. वाह, तुम बस बैठे बैठे नींद लेते रहो आराम से, हैं? सोते रहो आराम से बैठे बैठे, हम बोलते रहे, ये तुम्हारी क्लास है, हमारी क्लास है बोलने की। एक्चुअली मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप भी इसी तरीके से आओ, बोलो, करो, कोशिश करो, और धीरे धीरे हम लोग एक मिशन की तरह, एक्चुअली आई हैव टेकन इट जस्ट लाइक अ मिशन, सो दैट आई कैन मेक most of the children, more and more children or elders, to make them well versed in this communication. So please, now it is your turn, and this is a good thing that Ritvik is first to speak. Come on, Ritvik.
Sir,
अब क्या बाकी रह गया?
sir,
हाँ,
topic. Sir, I want to know that today's topic is yesterday's story.
I don't know.
Sir, what is the topic?
I don't know. Behavior. तो अब व्हाट इज द टॉपिक? पूरी रामायण हो गई हैं? और भाई साहब अभी तक पूछ रहे हैं कि ये साहब सीता किसका मामा था?
सर ये क्या बोल रहे हो आप?
मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, तुम्हारे साथ रह रहे के ऐसा ही होऊंगा, और क्या होऊंगा मैं? अब वो भाई साहब टॉपिक पूछ रहे हैं, 15 मिनट मैंने समझा दिया टॉपिक, और फिर भी टॉपिक क्या है आज का? अब बताओ, सबसे पहले नाम लिखा है इन्होंने अपना। यस ऋत्विक, आर यू रेडी टू स्पीक? ओके, कम ऑन,
Behavior is the most important thing in the world. When our behavior is good, all respect us.
शाबाश
Good
शाबाश
behavior
हाँ
is we should respect our elders, listen to them, and obey them.
वेरी गुड
And bad behaviors is that we should not listen them and not obey their things.
हम्म
When our behavior is good, all respect us. If our behavior is not good, no one will respect us. So we should have good behavior, because uh, if someone if we say to someone like badly, so they will also say to us badly. Thank you.
मजा आ गया यार, ये तो यार आज तो ये देख कितनी सारी तेरे को विशेष मिल रही हैं। मैंने भी किया तुझे विश यार, तेरे को मैंने भेज दिया बहुत कुछ हैं। शाबाश, वेरी गुड, गुड बॉय। हमारे भोपाल वाले भाई साहब हैं। अच्छा, इंटेलिजेंट इंटेलिजेंट तो सारे ही हो, आप डरा मत करो, बोला करो ऐसे ही। डरना क्या है, डरना नहीं है, डरोगे तो फिर कुछ नहीं होगा। ट्राई टू स्पीक, यस, एवरीथिंग इज इनफॉर्मल यार। शुरू शुरू में जरूर मुझसे डर लगता होगा, सबको ही लगना चाहिए एक बार तो। देखो ताबीज तो बांधना ही पड़ता है, बिना झाड़ा लगाए तो काम चलता नहीं है। तो वो झाड़ा हम एक बार में लगाते हैं, तो शुरू शुरू में, बीच में कभी जरूरत पड़ती है तो महीने 2 महीने में फिर एक झाड़ा लगा देते हैं, है ना। तो वो झाड़ा जरूरी होता है बेटा, टाइम टाइम पे डोज मिलती रहनी चाहिए, नहीं तो फिर प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है। सुनोगे? वेरी गुड। नाउ गौरव,
Yes, sir.
बस
So,
करो
hello
यार,
everyone,
बेइज्जती
I'm Gaurav.
रहोगे क्या? हाँ बोलो।
Yes, sir. So, hello everyone, I'm Gaurav here, and my today's topic is behavior.
हम्म
So, behavior is one of the most important thing in someone's life because it decides that how you behave with others and how you behave alone. What are you disciplined or not? Are you sweet? Are you rude? And like your whole character is decided by behavior, your behavior.
हम्म
And I will talk about bad behavior and good behavior.
हम्म
So, first of all, bad behavior. Bad behavior includes that you are like if you are rude, you are not listening to anyone, you are not disciplined,
हम्म
you are not punctual,
हम्म
or not even talking
हम्म
with others in a polite way.
हम्म
The downside of this is that you will lose all of your friends,
हम्म
and no one will even talk to you
हम्म
because of your rude behavior.
शाबाश।
But you will can get some friends,
यू विल
and
कैन, ये विल और कैन कब से आने लग गए एक साथ? कहाँ से, कौन सी अंग्रेजी है?
you can get, but
हाँ
you can get a friend who, and he or she is another rude person,
हम्म
because rude's friend is also rude. So technically, you will not have any friends, any good relations with others, and no one will talk to you either. And now the good behavior side. Now, in the good behavior side, you will be well known in the society, and you will be punctual, means you will do the given work in time,
हम्म
and also everyone will listen to you. Everyone will listen to you, and everyone will respect you if you will respect them.
हम्म
And also many other good sides, and there is no downside for it. But
हम्म
now
हम्म
I have a special personality that
ओके,
some people have, and
विच,
they are the middle ones,
ओके,
which are in bad behavior in some conditions and in good behavior in some conditions. And one of them is me.
यस, ओके ओके, यस,
In front of, like, if I take the example of me, I am not like very much rude, but in a musty or a shaitani wala mode in
Mischievous
front
mode.
of my
Hmm.
mischievous mode in front of my cousins or the one I know deeply or like my connected ones,
Shabash. Hmm.
like my grandfather, like my buaji or aunt,
Hmm.
all of my aunts,
Hmm.
all of my uncles,
Hmm.
and but
Hmm.
and I'm in the mischievous behavior with them, but I'm in the very sanskari or sincere
Oh, yes.
in the in very
Yes,
sincere
very good.
behavior
Uh,
in front of like my
in front of की जगह
grandfather,
before use किया करो. हाँ बोलो.
before my grandfather, like my grandfather's relative, my
Hmm.
grandfather's cousin brother's relative. So I don't even know them, so I just sit quite nervous. I'm nervous and I'm like introvert in front of them. Introvert
Before them, in front them
before
थोड़ा.
them,
हाँ. Hmm.
before them.
Hmm.
And the relatives, I don't know.
Hmm.
And I am extrovert in front of my cousins or well-known persons.
Hmm.
And there are also some people like me.
Hmm.
So that's it, saying, sir.
Very good. शाबाश. बहुत अच्छा तुम्हारे अंदर इम्प्रूवमेंट आने लग गया आजकल स्पीकिंग में है. वेरी गुड. नेचुरल तरीके से होना चाहिए सब कुछ. कम ऑन रक्षित.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Rakshit Maurya, and today I am giving my views on the topic behavior. So we know that what is behavior. There are different types of behaviors, and we can conclude that behavior is one of the key aspect of judging a person. Like whenever we talk to a person, the most important thing we notice about the person is his or her behavior. Like if the person's behavior is good, we mark him or her as a good person, and if the behavior of the person is bad, we mark that person we mark that person as a bad person. So and behavior, and this is you behavior, this thing is used very much in our day to day life. And
Hmm.
and we know that there are different types of behaviors. Mostly there are two types of behaviors. First is good behavior and second is bad behavior. So the good behavior is that talking to someone in a nice manner, with all respect, not with and not with bad words. So this can be termed as a good behavior. But if we are talking to a person in a rude manner and by using bad words, so this can be counted in bad behavior.
शाबाश. Hmm.
And also that behavior in profession is also very important. Like the paragraph that sir gave us in the reading comprehension showed us that behavior in occupations is also very important. You can see in any occupation, your good behavior leads to your success,
शाबाश.
and your good behavior is very important.
Hmm.
Like in teaching, if you have a good behavior, so you will be teaching the students in a nice manner, and students will be learning the things you are teaching to them in a very good manner. Like because the teacher who teaches in a rude manner, so the students can't connect with the teacher, and do not get the things in the right way or in a proper way. uh, and also you can see if a doctor has a good behavior, if a doctor has a good behavior, the patient, he or she will be curing. So the patient will be cured more betterly, more better in a better manner than if the doctor is curing the patient with the bad behavior.
Hmm.
uh, these are and also we can see behavior in teamwork. and behavior in offices. Like the if a officer has a good behavior, his or her clerks or his or her subordinates will follow his advices and his orders in a proper manner, and will respect will respect the officer. And if the officer do not have a good behavior, his or her subordinates will pay respect to him or her before him, but in the back at the back of him uh, they will do his or सर बुराइयों को क्या बोलेंगे?
देर आएगा ना, ही और शी क्यों आएगा?
ये
ये
सर
बोल रहे हो
देर नहीं सर, ऑफिसर के लिए बोल रहे हैं ना
क्या है?
सर, वो फिर उनके सबऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफिसर की बुराइयां करते हैं, उसको क्या बोलेंगे?
हाँ, सो तो बोलो ना कि दे विल नॉट स्पीक नाइस अबाउट देम,
ओके सर,
they will
they will
they
not.
will use bad words for them.
Okay, sir. They will not speak nice about them, and they will talk. They will talk about the officer whatever they have in their minds, whether it is good or bad, anything else, and so it is not good.
Slagging use
So
कर सकते हैं अपन इसके लिए, slag.
okay, sir. Slag.
हाँ, they are
Yes, sir.
slagging behind him.
Okay, sir. They are slagging at the back of the officer,
Hmm.
and so we can see that behavior is very important. And there comes one aspect. One aspect of the behavior is that there is also the behavior is also termed in two things. First is fake behavior, and second is real behavior. So the fake behavior we can see like in a funny way that whenever relatives come, we become the most sincere in our life,
Yes,
and
yes.
we act as a
Yes.
innocent boy or girl
Yes,
that we
you're
don't
right.
know about bad things. We are good at everything, and like this. And but after the relatives go, then we show our real things, like how we are, and we can see that there are, so sometimes we show our fake behavior, and most of the times we show our good behavior, real behavior.
Hmm.
And it is important to have both behaviors, whether it is good or bad, because if there were not bad behavior, so if there were not bad behavior, the comparison between good behavior and bad behavior would end. So to keep the comparison that it is good behavior and is bad behavior, we need both the behaviors, because uh, because bad behavior exists, so we know about good behavior, and good behavior exists, so we know about bad behavior.
Very good.
But we should always try to be acting, not to be acting, but we should always try to be in a good behavior. That's it, sir.
Shabash, very good yaar, nice elaboration. Keep it up beta, very good. So ये जो B20 वाले हैं ना, B23 वाले, ये बात अच्छे से समझ लो कि जब ये आए थे ना, पूछना कभी इनसे, तब ये बिल्कुल ऐसी कंडीशन में थे जैसे आप लोग हो, लेकिन आज इनका जो लेवल है वो बस उसी तरीके से हुआ है जैसे अब आपको करवा रहे हैं, वैसे इनको भी करवाया था किसी टाइम में. ओके, सो इसीलिए कि आप थोड़ा मोटिवेट हो जाएं कि होगा काम, यहाँ पे आप बोलोगे, अच्छे से बोलोगे. यस अंजू. अंजू, अरे सो गई क्या? पड़ गई क्या? इसको उठाओ, कोई छींटे बीटे लगाओ इसके मुंह पे.
मैं नहीं सो रही हूँ.
नहीं सोई है तो आजा फटाफट से फिर.
Okay, sir. So, hello everyone. My name is Olivia. Today's topic is behavior. So, so our behavior should be sweet, not like me.
Like me.
No. I'm thinking
like
not
you.
like me.
Sweet
not
behavior
like
girl.
me.
हाँ.
Not like me.
Then are you not sweet behavior girl?
No, I'm rude.
Then if you are, then all should be like you.
I think
Okay, speak.
I am rude.
You are rude.
Because
Oh, that was right. What I was saying a few minutes ago. that she is rude with that sincere boy, Gaurav Bhaiya. Yes, come on.
And my all brothers. So
Ah,
I'm only sweet in my one sister,
ah.
and she is so cute. So we
No,
we
you
thought
need not speak about you, but in general behavior. You have to speak about behavior, not
we
your behavior.
we should be sweet every time, or we should talk with sweet and type of good type. So you will be well on your work your work will be on time, and everyone knows you
Hmm.
in the society,
Hmm.
colonies, families.
Hmm.
Everyone knows you that you are the sweetest and
Hmm.
you are the good. So if we are rude,
Hmm.
so we don't have any friend, that everyone think that we have no friends.
Hmm.
We have no friends and we will be alone and there.
Hmm.
Okay?
Hmm.
It is important if a rude person have a friend, so that is not that he should be rude. That he is rude, so his friend be rude.
Hmm.
He can be sweet.
Hmm. Hmm.
There are opposite
Hmm.
thing. So everyone think that, but if you are rude, so don't find a person who is rude. You
बैठ
have
जा एक जगह, बैठ जा एक जगह, हिल क्यों रही है तू?
okay, sir.
बैठ के नहीं
Don't
बोल
find
सकती, बैठ जा आराम से एक जगह, आराम से, और फोन को रख दे सामने, अब बोल ऐसे,
Yes.
अब देखिए अच्छी सी बच्ची बोल.
Don't find a rude person. You want a friend, not a rude person. So that's it, sir.
Okay, very good, nice speaking, but you are rude. You have said that you are rude, but you should not be, beta. है ना? You may be sometimes, but it should not be in your nature to be rude to anyone. If someone is rude, you must be, but not towards Gaurav. Are you rude towards Gaurav? Yes.
Because I don't do my work. Right?
Okay. No, sometimes you may be, but not always. Okay. Yes, now this is the turn of Anju. अंजू तो हो गई ना?
सर अनुज
अनुज है, पढ़ना है इसको?
सर उसमें लिखा है.
मैं तो सही पढ़ रहा हूँ. हाँ भाई अनुज आजा. अनुज, and I think where you are?
I am in
Then, come on, we are not able to see your face. Please, yaar.
But you are able to pin me.
I have pinned you,
Okay.
but I am not able to see your face, yaar. Your eyebrows, your head, yes, like that.
सर सब काला काला हो गया सर.
क्या क्या लगा के रखता है पीछे तू, है ना? हाँ, कुछ
सर,
भी.
this is
तेरा
back
क्या
side.
है तेरा दिमाग यार? कहाँ दौड़ता रहता है तेरा दिमाग? कहाँ जाएगा तू?
सीक्रेट बेस पे
अब मैं तो नहीं सोच सकता तू
लोकेशन
अमेरिका वगैरह की, तू तो भैया कि मंगल बुद्ध पे ही जाएगा. अमेरिका तो छोटी चीज है तेरे लिए. चल बोल फटाफट से, चालू हो जा. यस.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Anuj and today the topic is behavior. So a person is commonly in a society or in general, a person is commonly judged by his behavior or her behavior, because her behavior is everything that can tell you briefly about his nature or
शाबाश.
his own self.
Yes.
Yes, sir. So it always matters that how we behave, so how our surroundings responds to us. Because if a person we'll try to understand in different examples. So so obviously there are more benefits of a good behavior than disbenefits. So it's always
Disadvantages. Okay, bolo.
okay, sir. So it's always necessary to behave good or to nice to everyone, because mom says be nice to everyone, and it is taught. This is the first thing that is taught to us before going to any school or any pathshala, that behave nice to everyone, because it returns to us, like there is a saying tit for tat, or what you do will return to you. So there are there are examples, like if you are going to a doctor, so a doctor, if you behave or if you open with the doctor, so the doctor may make you heal earlier or faster, and the bond that will be made between doctor and you because of the behavior. And if you are going to take any education from any teacher or any mentor, so you also there will see a behave between them, that makes a bond between them. And
Good.
and there yes sir, so behave, so there are a lot of sayings that revenge is good or bad. There are debates. So in my view, revenge, not in my view, but what I do, that I do not believe in revenge, because it is not worth to be done. Yes, sir. So I have reached the state when, like, someone abuses me, or someone not physically hurts me, but when someone abuses me, I won't say a word to him or her. I just leave the place.
Very good.
Yes, sir. So this is what I think about a behavior, or how revenge is good or not. Yes, sir. That's it, sir.
Very good. Shabash. Very nice यार. मजा आ रहा है बेटा? मजा आता है नहीं आता?
सर आज रात बड़ी हुई लग रही है, आज तो 7 ही बज रहे हैं मुझे लग रहा है।
बजेंगे तो बज जान दे, 7 बजेंगे तो कभी कभी जल्दी भी तो छोड़ देते हैं। अभी तुम्हारी 3 दिन की छुट्टी थी, जब तो तुमने एक बार भी नहीं बोला कि सर छुट्टी हो गई 3 दिन की। 7 नहीं 8 बजेंगे आज। अब बोलो तुम 7 बजेंगे आज, क्या करेगा जल्दी जाके? शादी हो गई क्या तेरी?
सर हाँ
हैं?
हाँ
शादी हो गई?
हाँ।
कब?
अभी पिछले हफ्ते
तो मैं आया था, जब तो नहीं बताया तूने।
तो आपने पूछा का?
तो पूछने का क्या मतलब होता है यार? हम तो सोच भी नहीं सकते तेरी शादी हो गई। कब हुई थी शादी तेरी?
सर राजस्थान से करनी पड़ेगी जल्दी।
नहीं, करनी पड़ेगी की बात नहीं है, हो गई क्या?
हाँ।
कब हुई?
22 तारीख को।
कौन सी 22 तारीख को?
अप्रैल।
22 अप्रैल को हुई थी तेरी शादी, पर हमको तो बताया नहीं तूने।
सर क्या बताऊं फिर?
क्यों नहीं बताएगा? शादी कर लेगा तो इनवाइट नहीं करेगा कि हमको बुलाएगा नहीं क्या तू?
शादी तो बाकी है ना अभी।
तो हुआ क्या है फिर? मैं ये तो पूछ रहा हूँ, शादी हो गई कि तू कह रहा हो गई, तो हुआ क्या है फिर? अभी एंगेजमेंट हो गई क्या तेरी?
हाँ।
अच्छा, तूने बताया नहीं हमारे को यार। अच्छा नहीं किया।
कोई बात नहीं
यार, कोई बात नहीं। शादी तो नहीं हुई है ना अभी, एंगेजमेंट ही तो हुई है ना। अभी क्या जल्दी हो रही है तेरे को? तेरे को कौन सा भी आटा नमक दाल मिर्ची लानी है? कोई बात नहीं बेटा, कोई बात नहीं, भगवान तेरे को हिम्मत देगा, घबराए मत। लक्ष्मी।
Yes, sir. My name is Lakshmi Gujjar. Today our topic is behavior. As you know that if a person behave good, everyone respect her.
well use किया करो, behave well. Adverb है well,
Yes, sir.
और good जो है ना वो adjective है।
Yes, sir. Well, everyone respect her or him, and if a person use bad behavior to others, everyone don't want to talk her or him. And as you know that behavior is important important for us. It by using good behavior we can achieve our goal, and we can get good position in any type of field. And if we use, and we can learn behavior from our parents and school, and also teachers. If a teacher behave good well to student, everyone learn about good behavior. And a person gets his work done from others in time if he does good behavior. And by using good behavior, all the person respect, and we can earn a lot of money by using our good language. And we can get a lot of things from others. And if a person don't use if a person doesn't use good behavior, he always get dishonest and disrespect from others. And no one respect her, and he can't progress in his life. And good behavior show our personality. and and bad behavior damage our relationship from our family also, and also friends. And in if a doctor behaves good to patient, a patient can recover earlier. And
हो गया? Have you done?
and
हाँ बोलो.
and a officer can get outcome from good outcome. And behavior is the key of success. And we should learn good behavior by which we can get success. And we can go ahead from others. And by using good behavior, our respect increase in our society. And everyone know us by using our good language. And a person is well known in society by using her or him good behavior.
Him नहीं, his.
And yes sir. And we should and good behavior foster us in any type of field.
Nice.
And the consequence of good behavior
good,
is
nice one.
always
Shabash.
good. And the using of good behavior, we can get everything. We can get respect from our parents and
Shabash.
teachers.
Nice flow.
And everyone respect us. And if we abuse to others, and we fight to others by using bad behavior and bad language, we always find bad outcomes. That's why we should use good language and good behavior. Good behavior. That's why we can achieve a lot of things. And we can get succeed in our life. That's it, sir.
अरे वाह, very good. शाबाश. वोकैबुलरी पे फोकस करो थोड़ा, है ना. अच्छे कई बार तो बहुत अच्छे वर्ड्स लेकर के आते हो आप. कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस लाइक दैट आ जाएगा धीरे धीरे. थोड़ा सा पढ़ने की भी पढ़ते रहा करो, कुछ ना कुछ. वेरी गुड. नेचुरल आती हैं ये चीजें बेटा. मतलब हमारे अंदर बहुत कैपेसिटी होती है, अगर सही ट्रैक पे चलें तो सब चीजें, बहुत सारी चीजें अपने आप होती हैं फिर। यस आर्यन कम ऑन बेटा, शाबाश बेटा, ये फ्रॉम B23। यस कम ऑन आर्यन, आजा बेटा, डरना नहीं बिल्कुल भी, बोल बस आराम से, जो तेरे को बोल रहा हूँ बोल बेटा।
My name is Arun and I live in Jaipur with my parents. I study in class 7. My school name is Jaipur Vidyalaya and my hobby is kabaddi.
आराम से बोल, घबराए मत। हाँ
And I'm learning English from Rambam sir that is living in New York.
वेरी गुड, बोल शाबाश शाबाश। अपने पापा के बारे में बता, पापा का नाम बता, क्या करते हैं ये बता, बोल पापा के बारे में बता।
My father's name is Sankumar and his work in police, and my mother's name is Sanju that work on housewife. So that's it.
शाबाश, बस ऐसे ही कोशिश करते रहो आप, और कुछ नहीं करना आपको, ठीक है। ट्राई लाइक दिस एनी टाइम, घबराओ मत, इन्हीं की तरह बोलोगे देखना आप, अभी हम बताएंगे आपको, थोड़े दिन रुक जाओ, ठीक है। बस मेहनत करते रहो, कर रहे हो आप, अच्छा कर रहे हो, यू आर डूइंग वेल, कीप इट अप बेटा, शाबाश, है ना। घबराना डरना नहीं है बेटा, हो गया इंग्लिश का सॉल्यूशन तुम्हारा, खत्म हो जाएगी प्रॉब्लम। यस काजल मैडम।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Kajal Meena. Today, my topic is behavior. So, as we all know that behavior is the key of success, and people should have good behavior, and we can say that a person have two types of behavior, good and bad.
ध्यान रखो, वर्ब पे फोकस करो, सिंगुलर प्लूरल का फोकस करो। हाँ बोलो, आगे बोलो।
And we can decide a personality of a person by which, because of his behavior. Because if his behavior is good, we can say that the person, he or she is good, and bad, he or she is good
और बैड।
if
हाँ मतलब एंड की जगह और आना चाहिए था वहां पे,
और okay sir,
गुड और बैड। हाँ बोलो, आगे बोलो। हाँ
okay sir. And if a person have bad behavior,
ऐसे ध्यान रखना है बस।
he is a good and he is bad person, and behavior is very important for success, and we can achieve everything because of our good behavior. And we have not good behavior, we can people say about us, he or she is bad. And if we have good behavior, people say about us, they are they people can say about us. Leave it, sir. If we have good behavior, we can people say us good person. And behavior is very very important in every field. Like if a teacher has a good behavior, we can say that this is he is the good teacher, and he create interest in study of students.
शाबाश बेटा, शाबाश
And
बेटा।
we can also take an example of a doctor.
An example.
An
example.
Okay, sir.
And
we can if a doctor have a good behavior, we can say that he or she is a good doctor, and the patient the patient recovers rapidly and because of his good behavior, and he works most of he work the good behavior works in his field most of medicines, and behavior is very important for our for our society. And if we have good behavior, people of our society say this is the he or she is the good person. And if we have not good behavior, people say he or she is bad person. And
very good, very good. बोल दो बेटा, शाबाश.
very important, but most of the time, if a person behave with us badly, we must behave them we must behave his or her badly, because behavior is also depend on or on depend on other person,
Yes,
because
you are right. You are right, beta. Yes.
who front of us, it is depend upon him, that how to he behave with us. So we can give outcome like his behavior. And behavior is very important, and we should also behave nicely, and we should talk others politely, and we should behave nice, and we should have good behavior, and because it is very important for our success. That's it, sir.
अरे वाह, शाबाश बेटा, वेरी गुड बेटा. थोड़ा फोकस करना है. सिंगुलर प्लूरल का स्विच ऑन कर दो दिमाग में, ठीक है ना बेटा. करेक्ट वर्ब फॉर्म, वर्ब और सिंगुलर प्लूरल, इन दोनों का स्विच ऑन कर दो अपने माइंड के अंदर. प्रोसेसिंग के टाइम में इन स्विच को ऑन कर दो, सारे के सारे ठीक होने लग जाओगे अब अपने आप. माइंड में आपके इंस्टॉल है वो चीज, लेकिन वो प्रॉपर वर्क नहीं कर रही ना, उसको ऑन कर दो. थोड़ा सा फोकस करोगे ना 4 दिन, अपने आप काम करने लग जाएगा वो सिस्टम, है ना बेटा. बाकी वेरी गुड, नो प्रॉब्लम, कीप इट अप बेटा, शाबाश बेटा, करते रहो बेटा ऐसे. यस खुशी.
Yes, sir. Hello and good evening to all of you. My name is Khushi Gujar. I'm telling about behavior. Behavior play a very important role in our life. You know very well, behavior is our first introduction. People judge us by it, and before our degree and money. So behavior is a very important thing. We can see in a business field, our behavior is a good, so client and customer trust us, and we can increase the business due to our behavior, with the help of our behavior. And the doctor always remain positive and with a smile, and behavior well. The patient feel much better, and he recovered fastly in his disease, any issues. And we earn behavior by our parents, family, teachers, strangers, friends, etc. And with the help of behavior, we can get many opportunities in any field. And due to bad behavior, we lose many opportunities, and 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 we stop our growth.
शाबाश
And
शाबाश.
sometimes behavior is the first things in an interview and job, because if our behavior is good, sometimes other people hire us quickly, and in a and behavior is a that's it, sir.
वेरी गुड. अच्छा बोल रही थी. नहीं, वेरी गुड बेटा. ऐसे डरा मत कर बिल्कुल भी. अच्छा बुरा कुछ नहीं होता है ना. कम ज्यादा कुछ बिना डरे बोलेगी तो बहुत अच्छा बोलेगी. निकाल दिया कर डर एकदम. बोलना है आगे. हैं? हाँ, उसमें क्या है? ये देख, बैठी है तैयार. कहती मैं हूं ना यहाँ पे. यस सिमरन, आ जा. डरोगे तो परफॉर्मेंस. डरो मत बिल्कुल भी. बस आराम से बिंदास होके बोलो. बोल बेटा.
Sir,
बोल बेटा.
okay, sir. Hey everyone, I am Simran, and today I am telling about behavior. Behavior is a karma, like when we do good behave with others.
When we practice good behavior.
Practice. Sir, why practice?
Why practice ही आएगा. मतलब डू आप लगा रहे हो, चल रहा है, हमें समझ में आ रहा है. इस तरह की जो चीजें होती है ना, जो वो हमको हम अपनी प्रैक्टिस में लाने की बात करती हैं भाई हमारे. लाइक दैट.
Okay, sir. Behavior is a practice, and behavior like different type, like normal behavior, good behavior, and bad behavior. Whatever we do with others, and behavior is a behavior is a foundation of our respect in our society. How to gain respect and how to gain how to make positive environment with our surrounding. Surrounding, and by through it we make friends, and by behavior, and sir taught about behavior in the last class, and sir told about behavior, how if any doctor behave with his patient good behave, and he speak softly, when it is helps to
it helps the patient beta to recover.
It helps the patient to recover
soon, earlier, soon, like that. घबराए मत बिल्कुल भी. बिना नहीं घबराएगी नहीं तो सब चीजें आ जाएंगी तेरे दिमाग में, है ना बेटा. आराम से बोल. हाँ, कोई जल्दबाजी नहीं. आराम से बोल बेटा.
And a sweet smile also make a good and positive environment, and by a smile a doctor helps patient, and a smile helps and a good behavior helps to recover early and uh, uh, rather than any
शाबाश,
medicine.
वेरी गुड वेरी गुड वेरी गुड बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, बहुत अच्छा यूज किया। हाँ,
And in education, in the field of education, behavior is very important, because when any teacher behave rudely when the um, students uh, students don't obey, and if any teacher teaching easily and uh, interesting interesting way, and when students listen carefully and they do well with their teachers, and like a officer, when we have good, and he uh, speak softly, and it helps their servants and their workers uh, for for the for work hard, and uh, behavior is a behavior is a part of our life, and by behavior we can make a days with with no between us and our society.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड वेरी गुड वेरी गुड बेटा, मेक अप ब्रिज, बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड। ऐसे बोल, घबराए मत, तू बोल, बिना डर के बोला कर। हाँ,
Yes, sir.
पानी की बोतल लेके बैठा कर, पंखा पंखा चला ले। बोल 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 बेटा।
Okay, sir.
हाँ,
And by behavior, through it, we 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 can trust, and whoever listen uh, our mm, our think our points,
शाबाश
and
शाबाश।
um, that person feel with their that person feel comfort, and when you give respect that that person, when
हम्म,
who also listen carefully your opinion and you, and
शाबाश।
uh, by behavior we also create trustable environment, and uh, the last I want to say, behavior like is a mirror
Is like a mirror.
is like a mirror,
Hmm.
and in which we also we also uh, we also display our image.
अरे शाबाश, वेरी गुड, अरे वेरी गुड बेटा, बहुत कुछ है तुम्हारे अंदर, हमें पता है ना, उसको कैसे निकाला जाता है ये भी पता है हमारे को। बोल बेटा बोल। हाँ,
Yes, sir, that's it, sir.
अरे वाह, मजा आ गया बेटा। ऐसे बोला कर, और रिकॉर्डिंग जरूर सुना कर, तेरे को दो चार गलतियां पता चलेंगी, अगली बार ठीक करना, फिर देख, है ना, सब कुछ फर्स्ट क्लास है बेटा। और सुनो, पहले 1 मिनट मैं आगे उसका नाम बोलूं इससे पहले 3 नाम आए मेरे पास, और उन वो 3 नाम सबसे लास्ट में जाएंगे, मुझसे बिना पूछे नहीं जाएंगे क्लास खत्म होने के बाद। अनुज, और एक ये रक्षित, और एक ये नया वाला भैया हमारा, क्या नाम है इसका, ऋत्विक। तीनों सबसे लास्ट में जाएंगे मुझसे पूछ के, इससे पहले कोई भी नहीं जाएगा तीनों में से।
सर ये क्या हुई?
ये हुई बाद में बताएंगे तुम्हें क्या हुई। पुलिस स्टेशन से नाम आए तुम्हारे बेटा आज।
मैं तो सोचा कि पार होने की परमिशन दे रहे हो।
नहीं परमिशन नहीं दे रहा, तुम्हें रुकना है अभी। भाई पुलिस आएगी जब तुम्हारी डिटेल देगी पुलिस तुम्हारी, जब पता चलेगा तुम्हारे को आज।
ओके सर।
हाँ वैष्णवी कम ऑन।
Yes, sir. Good evening, all of you. I'm Vaishnavi. Today, I'm telling about the topic whose name is behavior. That behavior is the virtue of personality, and you know that behavior is very important. Is the important part of our life, and you know the behavior is the key of your success. If you have a good behavior in education line and in medical lines, etc., and you can get success in this field. And you know that there are two kinds of behavior: good behavior and rude behavior. Good behavior, you know that good behaviors includes like
शाबाश, politeness
and kindness.
शाबाश। ऐसे एडवर्ब उसको नाउन बनाना सीखो, है ना बेटा। एडजेक्टिव से नाउन बन रहे हैं ये। थोड़ा फोकस करो, चीजें अपने आप आ जाएंगी नेचुरल तरीके से। बोल बेटा।
है ना। So you know, if we take example of a doctor, if a doctor's behavior is good, then you know his behavior make a good treatment of his patient, and you know his good behavior can treat the
पेशेंट
can treat the patients, and healing the, you know, healing the patients, you know, patients disease, and his behavior also, and the next is bad behavior, rude behavior. You know the bad behaves include like rudely angry,
रूडली नहीं, रूडनेस,
rudeness,
एंगर,
angry,
एंग्री नहीं,
anger,
एंगर। हाँ
rudeness, anger, and if we take an example of an officer, his behavior is rude, so he will be behave with his subordinates in a rudeness,
इन अ रूड वे। चेंज
in
करना
a
सीखो।
rude way,
यस, घबराओ मत बिल्कुल
in
भी।
a rude way,
हाँ घबराना नहीं बेटा, है ना। हाँ बेटा
in
बोल
a
बेटा।
rude way, and the subordinates, you know, starting the subordinates starting, you
स्टार्टिंग
know,
क्यों? स्टार्ट
starts the
डू देयर वर्क इन टाइम, सिंसियरली, पॉजिटिवली, है
work,
ना ऐसे बेटा। हाँ घबराया मत कर।
work in a time and
हाँ
sincerely,
हाँ
and you know the behavior and
हाँ
if we take an example of a polite teacher,
एन एग्जाम्पल।
if we take an example of a polite teacher, he if he want to create if he want to create interest in students, so he should, you know, have a good behavior,
वेरी गुड।
and obviously the students will be, you know, respect him, and talk to him very in a politeness,
इन अ पोलाइट वे।
in a polite
या
way,
इनमें मतलब पोलाइटली एडवर्ब बन
in a
जाएगा।
politely, and
इन भी जरूरत नहीं बेटा, पोलाइटली बस इनफ, क्योंकि वो एडवर्ब बन गया ना ऑलरेडी। फ्रेज बनाएंगे तो बनेगा इन पोलाइट वे, वो पूरा फ्रेज हो गया। एक वर्ड में पोलाइटली भी कह सकते हैं अपन ना बेटा। आगे बोल।
And, you know that we should behave with the elders in a good way, not in a bad way.
रूड वे भी सही था, क्या दिक्कत आ रही थी? बोल देते, बोलो बोलो, घबराओ मत, बोलो।
In a good way, not in a bad way. And we should we should behave with our neighbors in a good way. And at last I want to say that we should behave with others in a polite way. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड। और थोड़ा सा एलिबोरेट करना सीखो बेटा।
सर
यस
सर मेरे को पार होना है, अभी मेरे को कहीं जाना है। देख
कहाँ जाना है तेरे को? एक मिनट
सर
होल्ड
कहीं
कर।
के लिए निकलना है मेरे को।
ओहो, कहाँ के लिए निकलना बता दे तू आज, ऐसे नहीं
सर
निकलना।
देखो रेडी हूँ मैं, रेडी टू गो।
बैठा रहे, अभी कोई नहीं निकलेगा यहाँ से, क्लास होने वाली है, 2 बच्चे और हैं, इनको सुन के फिर चलेंगे अपन। बड़ा तू आ जा रहा है प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी से तेरे को मिलने के लिए, टाइम बड़ा रेडी है, तो तेरे को जाना है, निकलना है। अभी हम भी निकलेंगे, रुक जा 2 मिनट, बता नहीं तो कहाँ जाना है फिर।
हाँ बताऊं?
हाँ
सर ये ठीक करानी है साइकिल।
कोई बात नहीं, अभी 10 मिनट रुक गया, अभी दुकान बंद नहीं हो रही, 8:30 बजे से पहले कोई दुकान बंद नहीं होती है।
ओके
हाँ
सर आप बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हो सर।
यार मैं नहीं हूँ इस धरती का रहने वाला, तुमको ही पता है। अभी तुम रुक जाओ तीनों जने, तुम तीनों को मैं बताऊंगा आज, रुक जाओ तुम।
फील्डिंग
नया नया आया है अभी, ये तो अभी से चालू हो गया है।
कौन?
अभी बताऊंगा, रुक जाओ, पहले इन बच्चों को फ्री करके इनको भेजूं, फिर बताऊंगा तुम्हारे को। अकेले में बात करूंगा मैं तुमसे आज। आरुषि और कैमरे चालू कर लो सब अपने अपने। आरुषि
सर अकेले में नहीं,
अकेले में बताऊंगा इनको। आरुषि
Yes, sir.
आ जा बेटा, आ जा मेरा बच्चा।
Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. My topic is India. India is very beautiful country.
शाबाश।
It's also very famous country. India is the largest seventh country in the world, and first in the population country. New Delhi, capital of India. Yeah.
शाबाश शाबाश, बोल कोशिश कर, बस
In
बोल।
in many religions, languages, or found the India, we celebrate many festivals. That's it, sir.
जैसे कोशिश किया कर बस। शाबाश, देख आज लग रही ना ऐसे जैसे ना दो क्या ये हैं, सुगली ऐसे रहा कर, एकदम हंसती हुई मुस्कुराती हुई सी। हैं, टेंशन में मत रहा कर बिल्कुल भी। कोई टेंशन किस बात की करनी है यार, सब हो जाएगा, ठीक है बेटा। हाँ ऐसे खुश रहा कर हमेशा।
Yes, sir.
हाँ बेटा, वेरी गुड, गुड गर्ल। डरना किससे? डरा मत कर किसी से भी। डर लगता है तेरे को? लगता है?
No, sir.
किसी से नहीं लगता?
No, sir.
मेरे से भी नहीं लगता? लगता है मेरे से? नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं डरना है बेटा, है ना। बस मेहनत करो आप, अभी आपका बढ़िया चल रहा है, ठीक है ना। डरना नहीं बेटा किसी से भी, है ना।
Sir.
बस अपना काम करना है, अपने आप को और स्ट्रांग बनाना है, और अच्छा बनाना है अपने आप को, है ना बेटा। हाँ मस्त रहा कर, एकदम हंसती हुई रहा कर। हंस लिया कर कभी भी, बिना मतलब कहीं हंस लिया कर, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। हंस के दिखा जरा एक बार, हंसे जोर से, दांत खोल के दांत दिखा तेरे एक बार हंस के। हाँ ऐसे, शाबाश, ऐसे रहा कर बेटा, मस्त है ना। यस, बस 2-3 जने और बचे हैं। रौनक आ जा बेटा।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Ronak Berwa. Today, I am telling about good behavior. Good behavior are very important in our life. Good behavior, we must respect elder and help the poor. We do not make fun of other or we rude language. We stand it up while elder the rooms. We do not interrupt elder when they
यहाँ पे डू नॉट की
are
जगह
talking.
शुड नॉट यूज करना है बेटा। शुड नॉट, वी शुड नॉट, नहीं चाहिए हमें, ऐसा करना नहीं चाहिए, हमें चाहिए। और डू नॉट नहीं, शुड लगाओ बेटा वहाँ पे, है ना। आगे बोल बेटा।
Behavior help us to become a successful person. That's it, sir.
अरे वाह, ऐसे कोशिश करनी है बस तेरे को, समझ गए बेटा। बस कुछ नहीं करना अभी, देखना इनके जैसे बोलेगी तू भी, सबर रख, थोड़ा सा रुक जा अभी, है ना। लक्ष्मी को और इनको जानती है ना तू, खुशी को।
यस सर।
तेरी बहनें भी तो बेटा ऐसे सीख के गई है ना, डरना नहीं, बहुत
यस
अच्छा करेगी तू, चिंता मत कर बेटा, है ना। बस थोड़े से दिन रुक जा। यस अनु मैडम।
So hello everyone. Now I am telling about behavior. So as you know that behavior is the range of actions, reactions, and manner displayed by invisible. सर क्या बोलते हैं
आज तो
उसको?
कैसे बोल रही, आज तो ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे याद करके बोल रही है तू।
नहीं सर।
अच्छा चल बोल।
इंडिविजुअल।
छोड़ दे उसको,
क्या
अब
है
अटक
उसको?
जाएगी क्या, ये अटकना ही तो बताता है हमें कि कहीं ना कहीं कुछ गड़बड़ है। हाँ बोल, आगे बोल।
सर देखो फिर आधा रह जाएगा सेंटेंस, displayed by individuals। सर समझ में आ रहा है मैं जो
हाँ
बोल रही हूँ?
इंडिविजुअल्स होता है, इंडिविजुअल्स। आगे बोल। और सीधी बैठना, तू दिख ही नहीं रही, तेरा पता नहीं क्या क्या दिख रहा है। सीधी बैठ, पहले तो लेटी पड़ी है तू।
नहीं पड़ी लेटी।
तो लेटी नहीं पड़ी है तो तू ढंग से दिख, देख तेरा माथा ही माथा दिख रहा है बस। कितनी बार तुम लोगों को समझाया कि बेटा मोबाइल को ऐसे नहीं है, अभी भी और ठीक कर थोड़ा सा, और ठीक कर, और ठीक कर, और ठीक कर, और कर, फिर वहीं पहुंच गई, और कर, थोड़ी सा और कर, सीधा रख इसको मोबाइल को। अब ऐसे रहे बस। उस समय तो ऐसे लगता है पता नहीं कौन सी दुनिया का, कोई मंगल ग्रह का है, पश्चिम ग्रह का है, कहाँ का है। अब वो मोबाइल फिर तरह नीचे जाना शुरू हो गया। तो बेटा ऐसे नहीं रखते ना बेटा, मोबाइल को ऐसे तो रखो कि अपन अच्छे से दिखें बेटा, इंटरेक्ट कर पाएंगे अपन। हाँ बोल, अब बोल।
Individuals in response to their environment. As you know, the behavior it is the act of be sweet to everyone. Not sweet if the other one is speaking to you in rude language, so you also who has सर रोकने को क्या बोलते हैं?
रोकना,
Who
स्टॉप।
has stopped you?
वाह।
As you know, it acts like a mirror. If you say anything rude or sweet, it will come to you like a mirror.
वाह शाबाश, अब ला रहा है ना मजा तेरी बात सुनने में हमें। बोल बोल, आगे बोल।
Like a mirror. So as you know, behavior.
फोन को रख देना इसको, तू हाथ में पकड़ के बैठी है फोन को, सामने कहीं टिका नहीं सकती इसको तू, और तू टिक जाए इसके सामने ऐसे। अब बैठ
सर फिर आप
मेरे को बढ़िया दिख रहा है, अब बोल तू आराम से, बैठ गई ना। हाँ बोल आराम से, अब बोल आराम से।
हाँ, as you know that behavior you can be famous by behavior like that you are using abuse words or using very sweet language. You are famous like that kid is like this, that kid is like this. So everyone, if you do rude behavior in front of anyone,
before anyone,
so
in front of थोड़ा बड़ा हो जाता है, before anyone। हाँ,
before anyone tells to anyone else, and then when she or he comes, then he judge you like that the before person has said to him or her. So as you know that if
as you know
if a doctor behaves very good, so a patient believe on doctor that he or she can सर सही कैसे कर, सही क्या बोले,
recover
anyone's problem or him or her problem. So like that. Um, so you cannot सर दिखाने को क्या बोलता है?
Display, show.
You cannot show anyone your behavior. Like suppose anyone live in Chennai, you cannot go and there show your behavior. But your behavior can become in talks. In work also, how neat you write, how neat you explain anything.
मतलब behavior is abstract.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Behavior
very
is correct. So at the last, I want to say that if you do good behavior, you will get it only. You are thinking that
You are thinking.
you are thinking that he is she or is your favorite, so you will do good behavior to him or her. If anyone who is
Not close to you. हाँ बोल बोल बोल.
not you will don't do good behavior to him or her, so it is very bad. You have to give same opportunity to everyone. So that's it.
शाबाश. Very good. ऐसे अब देख कितनी अच्छी लग रही है. उस समय तो ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे तेरे कमरे में भूकंप आ रहा हो. हाँ और अभी मोबाइल को सही सेट करके बैठ देख फिर तू और भी अच्छे से दिखेगी बेटा. और तेरे को बस तेरे ऊपर ही फोकस. यस लाइक दैट. और थोड़ा ठीक कर सकती है. यस कम ऑन नाउ हर्ष. आजा बेटा बस लास्ट है ये. हर्ष के बाद अगर ये आदित्य और ये एक और क्या नाम है इसका काजल कुछ बोलना चाहे तो आ जाना बेटा. कोई घबराने की जरूरत नहीं. मर्जी कुछ 2 लाइन 4 लाइन बोलने की कोशिश करो. यस हर्ष. जरूरी नहीं है इस टॉपिक पे ही बोलो बेटा. यस कम ऑन हर्ष.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Harsh. Today I am going to tell you about behavior. So, as you all know, that behavior is an act which is done by every individual, which shows our personality or the type of people we like or we are ourselves. So, if you want to create a personality or create a good mindset of people regarding you, then you should be in your behavior that are your limits, and you should not be more frank or more aggressive towards someone. You should always be in a calm mindset that will help you to develop your personality among others. And behavior does not only mean to develop a good sense of good sense of mindset in others regarding you, but also to create a personality of yourself that everyone feels safe around you and happy around you. It can only be done when you are in a good behavior, like you are just a calm person talking to not extremely talkative or nor neither introvert nor extrovert. And you should every task you do should be in your limits. It starts from talking to fighting everyone. Fighting also has its own limits, and talking also has its own limits. Like the fight we do in a class is in the limits, but sometimes when it breaks it goes out of the limit. The sir need to enter and stop it and put an end to that. And that at that moment our behavior is out of control, means we are not in a good behavior that we are representing. And also one task that behavior does is that it represents our background, on from which background we are, or what's our
Yes.
what's our what are the friends and companions we are making. And the companion also decides our behavior. Like if you are in a group of 7 people who are not at all good not at all good, then you should directly leave the group. No matter what, how sweet are they to you, but you should always check that what's their softness among not each other, but to the other persons. Because if you are friends, then they can say anything to you, but in the limits. Um, but if they are talking in a wrong, in a different way to other person, which with a stranger, then you should just you just directly leave the group, or say them to maintain to be in their limits, not cross them. That's it, sir.
शाबाश, वेरी गुड बेटा, शाबाश। यस, नाउ काजल, आजा बेटा, सबसे नया बच्चा है मेरे पास ये। घबराना मत, डरना मत, मुझे मालूम है तू बहुत कुछ कर सकती है, ठीक है ना? मैंने 2-3 दिन में देख लिया बेटा तेरे को, है ना? बिना घबराए आराम से बोल जो तेरे मन में हो बेटा, है ना? थोड़ा और बुलवाएंगे तेरे से।
Good evening.
हाँ, बोल बोल बोल।
Everyone, good evening. I'm Kajal Bairwa. Today I telling behavior.
बोल बोल बोल, घबराए मत, गलत सही मत सोच, बोल बस।
All people behavior different behavior. Doctor behavior positive and politely.
घबराए मत, बोल, घबराए मत।
And teachers behavior
चल अपने बारे में बता तू
आगे
तो,
बढ़ने को सर क्या?
अपने बारे में बता तू तो हमारे को।
My name is Kajal Bairwa. I reading in
सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस सीखा है ना तूने?
हाँ।
वैसे ही सेंटेंस सोच, इतने बजे उठती हूँ, इतने बजे स्कूल जाती हूँ, फिर जाती हूँ, टीवी देखती हूँ, खाना खाती हूँ, सो जाती हूँ, बनाती हूँ। बता अपने बारे में। अपने बारे में 4-5 सेंटेंस बोल दे बस। My name is Kajal. I live in Durgapura.
हाँ,
ऐसे बोलने हैं, और क्या करना है? बोल, घबराए मत। हाँ।
Kajal Bairwa. I living in Durgapura. My father name is Sitaram.
शाबाश।
Sitaram Bairwa.
हाँ, सोच सोच सोच। मम्मी है, भैया है, बहनें हैं, क्या करते हैं पापा? बोल बोल बोल। टीवी है घर में, मोबाइल है तेरे पास, बोल बोल बोल।
हाँ। My mother name Kavita Devi. And all people we love.
शाबाश शाबाश, घबराए मत, बोल तू बस। कोई बात नहीं, ठीक है, हम करवा लेंगे बेटा, है ना? कोई चिंता नहीं करना है, हम करवा लेंगे बेटा, है ना? बहुत अच्छा, तू आई, तू बोली, बहुत बहुत बड़ी बात है हमारे लिए। बस हम बाकी अब हम कर लेंगे बेटा। ये डर निकलना होता है, 1-2 बार में डर निकल जाता है, 1-2 बार बोलोगे ना, डर निकल के बाहर हो जाएगा। यस जोगिंदर, ये सॉरी आदित्य, वो आईडी है ना, बोलोगे?
सर मेरे बारे में बोल दूं?
बोल दे। नाम क्यों नहीं लिखा? नाम लिखना चाहिए था ना। बोल फटाफट, लास्ट है भैया, इसके बाद बात करूंगा तुमसे जरूरी में। बोल।
My name is Aditya. I reading class 7. I am 12 years old. I live in Jaipur. My school name is Agarthan Shiksha Niketan School. My father name is Jogendra Bairwa. My mother name is Seema Devi. My sister name is Riya Kumari. My brother name is Divyanshu Kumar. My favorite fruit mango. My favorite play football.
That's it sir। कैसे बोलते हैं? That's it sir। लास्ट में जब अपनी बात खत्म हो जाएगी, that's it sir। चलिए, थैंक यू वेरी मच। ऐसे कोशिश करो बस, घबराने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है, गुड गोइंग, सबका बढ़िया चल रहा है,